Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to share creative DIY a spooky chic accessory, multi-charm Halloween themed chain necklace tutorial. Learn step by step how to assemble a festive necklace featuring skulls, pumpkins, bats, and witch hat charms. First, gather all your supplies, including chains, charms, jump rings, pliers, lobster clasp, and extension chain to start your Halloween necklace. For the base necklace, choose a medium cable chain measuring around 16 inches for a choker style or 20 inches for a longer. Lay your chain and charms on a flat surface to plan your design. Arrange the charms evenly for balance and ensure the Halloween theme flows beautifully throughout the necklace. Place the larger Halloween-themed charm in the center as the focal point. Then position smaller charms toward each end to create a balanced, eye-catching design across your necklace. Be generous and add more Halloween-themed charms for extra detail, movement, and a fun, festive layered look. Use 2 pliers to open a jump ring. Twist, don't pull. Insert one end of the jump ring into the charm loop. Hook it through the chain link at your planned spot. Twist back gently to close tight. Attach the large Halloween charm securely in the middle of the chain using a jump ring for a bold centerpiece. Repeat the process by opening another jump ring, inserting the next charm through it, attaching it to the chain link, and closing tightly to ensure secure placement along your necklace. Mix and match different Halloween charms to add color, texture, and visual interest, making your necklace vibrant and festive. Make sure all your Halloween charms are facing up before closing the jump rings to keep your necklace neat and professional looking. Keep attaching each charm one by one along the chain until you achieve your desired length and balanced Halloween-themed arrangement. You can find these Halloween-themed charms online or at craft stores, available in various spooky designs like pumpkins, skulls, and bats. As you see your necklace forming shape, adjust the charm spacing to ensure an even, balanced, and beautiful Halloween-themed design. As you see, we started by attaching the large charm in the center, then continued adding the medium-sized charms to each side for a balanced, stylish Halloween low. Use colorful Halloween charms like orange pumpkins, purple bats, or green skulls to give your necklace a fun, standout look. Please be patient while attaching each charm. Taking your time ensures every detail looks neat and secure. The final Halloween necklace will be stunning and worth the effort. On the ends of the necklace chain, attach small Halloween charms to complete the design with a delicate finishing touch. We are almost done. Attach the final Halloween charm securely to complete your beautiful multi-charm festive necklace design. Now we move to the final stage of this project, where we'll add the clasp and finish our Halloween necklace. Open a jump ring, insert it into the end link of your chain necklace, add the lobster clasp, and close it tightly using pliers to secure the closure. Open another jump ring, insert it into the other end link of the chain necklace, add the extension chain, and close it very tightly to ensure durability. For the finishing touch, open the last jump ring, insert a small tag charm into the final link of the extension chain, and close it tightly for polish. Check for any gaps or openings in your jump rings to ensure all charms and clasps are securely attached. Happy Halloween! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun and creative jewelry tutorial designs in the future.